Welcome to MyBangaloreProperty.com. Today I am going to explore you the most beautiful 3 BHK apartment at Doddaballapur Road, Yelahanka. This is a very beautiful, grand and luxurious 3-bedroom apartment at 7th floor in Sobha Althea. So here we are at the 7th floor of Sobha Althea. Very beautiful location of the house. The super built up area of this flat is around 2100 square feet approximately. The apartment comes with the two large balcony, one at the hall and second at the master bedroom area. This is the balcony. This flat comes with the completely teakwood furnitures. All the interior work have been designed as per the very choicy kind of stylish. Very beautiful fall ceiling. So here we are the balcony. Very spacious balcony here, indeed, with the small pots outside. This is the outside view from the balcony area. So here we are at the dining area. After the hall, we have immediate dining area, and this house comes with the all security system installed with EPBX monitor calling systems. This is interior work done at the dining place. You have a CCTV camera on head. This is a reverse angle from the dining to hall towards, and this is the kitchen place. We have very spacious and large kitchen here with puja room inside. As you can see, the house comes with the completely teakwood work here with the beautiful interior design, and it has exhaust system of the kitchen area. This is the reverse angle of the kitchen area. This is a wet kitchen. This is a cooking place. And at the end of the kitchen, we have very beautiful puja room. And this god room is very nicely designed. It is a custom plan of the making a puja room here, along with the washing machine room here as well. So we have a washing machine inside this curtain, placed to the press ironing and all, and the storage. A very beautiful fall ceiling at the puja room. Now we're taking it towards 3 bedrooms with the bathrooms. Here we have very beautiful interior work, as you can see, and this is a powder room here. The bathroom size would be approximately 5 by 7 with the hand wash and toilet. And this is the first bedroom I'm going to enter here. This is the bedroom here. Very spacious room. The size would be approximately 12 by 14. It has a built-in AC installed. Very beautiful fall ceiling work have been done from the teakwood and the combination of POP. This is the reverse angle of the bedroom. Pre-installed cot and bed in there. We have sliding doors of wardrobes and loft. And then we have a study table for children's. It could be utilized as a computer room as well. The house has a pre-installed all the security system and the EPBX system for intercom calling system and all. Here we are entering to the second bedroom where we have very much bookshelf. Very nicely planned and executed. Very good choice of colors. And the main attractive thing about the house, you can see all the work of the house The interior work, especially, you can see made of the teak wood only. There's no compromise in the work, as we have experience seeing the woodwork here. So I can say this is the best of work provided by the interior work designer. And this is a second bedroom for children actually, with the false ceiling and beautiful fan installed. This is a study table, and this is a reverse angle from the bedroom, and this is a bed installed here. All the bed comes with the storage below the bed. The second bedroom comes with the attached bathroom here. A separate bath place and the toilet. Now I'm entering to the main master bedroom of the house. Very beautifully interior work, as you can see inside. A very much beautiful wardrobe. This is a completely teakwood work with teakwood polishing, sliding doors, lot of storage area, and the balcony. Very big window for a brightness, natural light inside the house. And this is the house. This is a bed here. Again, storage is inside. And this is the reverse angle of the bedroom again. You have attached bathroom here. Then we have balcony at the master bedroom. This is the front opening balcony, which is in the corner side. This is the outside view of the house, and this is a balcony place. It's quite of curvy balcony you have, with AC unit have been installed here. For more details and property inspection, you can log on to our website www.MyBangaloreProperty.com. You can log on to our secondary website 99blr.com. For more details and property inspection, you can call to our official numbers. Thank you so much.